butter, like criminal undercover. Muss ich mal wieder ein bisschen was hinten wegräumen. Cheers with my marokkanischer Grüntee. Is that what it's called? Mein Basilikum stirbt ja! Trash. Hello everyone. Are you here often? Because I certainly am. If you are here often, maybe even every Sunday, then I'm gonna welcome back you to the bar of Naomijon. Everything language-wise was wrong. I said language. That looks like I'm drinking alcohol. That literally looks like rum. No, not rum. Captain Morgan. That is rum. So today we're gonna be baking. Welcome back to Baking with Naomi. I know, that's very creative. So, why am I making this video? I recently saw Trixie Mattool baking some cookies with a Girl Scout cookie oven. I know, she's not called Trixie Mattool, she's called Trixie Matutu. So I saw Trixie Mattool just like baking cookies in the Girl Scout cookie baking oven. And to be honest, I've never even heard of this before, so I was kind of mind blown. It is an oven for Girl Scouts. So it's basically a toy oven. And you get like a baking mix and you bake the cookies in the toy oven. I don't even know that much about Girl Scouts. I have a joke for you guys. So why did Mozart kill all the chicken? He asked them who their favorite composer is and they just said, Bach, Bach, Bach. Okay, what is Girl Scouts? Girl Scouts isn't just a moment in her life. It's a movement dedicated to building girls of courage, confidence, and character who make the world a better place. I'm not laughing, this sounds great, but I still don't know what they do. Groups of Girl Scouts called troops typically meet weekly or bi-weekly for an hour or two. Girls select exciting hands-on activities and projects, try new things, and cheer each other on. So they basically just meet up and do different activities. So it's just like a happy place for girls, hopefully. I definitely saw a lot of TikToks of like Girl Scouts, but more like women scouts, like they're already older and they were just like showing all of their badges and what they've achieved. And that's why I think it's not just children Girl Scout thing. I feel like it's like commitment. Like if you're in it, then you might actually commit to it your whole life. I don't know much about it, so if you do, let me know. But the most important thing is I bought the Girl Scout cookie oven. This is it, everyone. This doesn't look like it's actually able to produce electricity. I was actually wondering how hot this will get, but I could not find it anywhere. I'm ready to bake. Bake. I mean, I kind of feel like they are gonna taste like shit, but also maybe this is just genius and this is just the most amazing thing ever. But I also feel like for the special occasion, I kind of need to change. I need to be more fitting for this topic. Did you hear that voice crack? I'll be right back. Okay, now I feel more ready to do this. I feel like the instructions are actually gonna be like super easy, and I also feel like I'm still gonna be able to mess them up because I'm a Sagittarius. I mean, this has to be relatively safe as it's meant to be for children, right? They send us a syringe? I like the sound. Absolutely loves it. It also came with a baking tray. It also says attention. Feels like great quality. ASMR. Why is the tray so small?
One cookie at a time.
No, I'm pretty sure it's not one cookie at a time. It's gotta be tiny cookies. I mean, tiny cookies for tiny children, I guess. Also says caution, supervision required. Vincent, make sure you're watching me. Why are there so many instructions? I thought this was gonna be super easy. By the way, our flavor is mint chocolate. Start your baking adventure. Okay, sadly it came with an American plug, but also, yeah, luckily I'm international, so I have this. Now we turn the knob to the on position. If the LED light is illuminated, you're on your way. Something happening? By the way, this is what it looks like from the back. Kind of scary. While the oven is preheating, 5 minutes, coat the baking pan evenly with baking spray. I do not have baking spray. I'm just gonna spit on it. I guess I'm just gonna apply some butter. Eee! Are we sure this is not toxic? This smells so bad. Great. Boah, Vincent, das riecht ganz falsch. Ich glaube, das brennt gleich durch oder so. Da kann... Do you think our plugs are like way too strong?
Yes, we're all gonna die.
Stop!
It's fine. What is that?
What?
The shit on the t-shirt.
I have a name tag now, guys. That's me, Naomi. Let me butter this pan, if you know what I'm saying.
I don't think it's...
Ist das ein Stromausfall? I think I just... SOS? But what do I do now? My video is over. I'm so sad I paid so much money for this.
I can imagine. My oven caught on fire.
SOS! What did I just spell out? Cock. Well, now I have to improvise. I mean, we can still taste the cookies. I can just make them in the oven. Immer muss irgendwas schief gehen, Leute. I don't want to give up on my Girl Scout cookie dream just because I set the oven on fire. I don't care what you say. I spent over 100 euros on this fucking Girl Scout cookie oven and now it's trash.
But I'm still gonna make my fucking cookies. Period.
I'm so fucking sad. Ooh, it smells really good. I'm gonna put some water in there. 9 millimeters. I
was like, what's you gonna do?
Was soll ich denn machen? I can't even tell them what just happened because it's that embarrassing.
Hä, was sind denn diese Angaben hier? Das ist ja alles richtig falsch.
Kind of really unnecessary that I buttered this. I might as well just put it onto a normal baking tray. But also, we want the full experience without the oven. Alright, here's our batter. I feel like this is like one cookie. This is all we have. Ooh, look at that swirl. This is all we got, everyone.
And she screamed at me when I ate something 4 hours ago.
Yeah.
Saying, I'm gonna make cookies. I'm gonna eat something.
I'm gonna make it 170 degrees. I feel like that's like chill. Mmm. That just tastes like baking soda.
Look, it's not cookies.
Let's hope it won't explode.
Okay, cool.
I just want to show you the abandoned cookie oven. It's on our balcony because it stinks so much.
It actually smells so good.
So this is what I created. Would you like the cookie?
Yeah, once it's coated.
Oh right! Oh my god, I almost forgot my mint chocolate flavor coating. So these are just little cookie chocolate chip cookies. Not cookies, chocolate chips. Let me try one. Minty. This is a lot of coating for not a lot of cookies. I can proudly announce these are my finished Girl Scout cookies. Not made in a Girl Scout cookie oven, but made with love.
Hey, we're loving the Girl Scouts cookie oven.
I don't like the mint coating.
I like the mint coating.
But I hate the mint coating.
Maybe they're not thin enough.
They are.
Chocolate, chocolate.
Don't worry, I'm gonna make some more. Because I also got some PB sandwich flavor. The peanut butter is not included. Okay, everyone, we're gonna continue with our Am I already Girl Scout? I mean, I'm not using the oven, so I guess I'm not. Or maybe being a Girl Scout is just about the feeling. Oatmeal? I'm making oatmeal? Try that. Ooh, it's crunchy. Cool. It just smells like oats. Like 100%. I think that's literally it. And I spent a lot of money buying this. I just want to mention it again. This is proper pissing me off, mate. This is literally just oatmeal. Oats with water. Just want to say, these cookies look absolutely great so far. And into the oven you go. Wait, I forgot to press them down. No, now it's stuck to my spoon. Ah, it's so hot. I love that they're literally saying,
Be a smart cookie. Mixture may look dry, but don't add more water.
I added so much more water. Just saying. Okay, now we should leave it in for 7 to 8 minutes. And watch them as they go from dough to delicious. Actually, it just says delicious. The delicious is a joke. Just out of my head. Okay, now we're gonna make the filling mix. I don't really know what it is. I think this is just sugar. And now I'm supposed to mix it with some peanut butter. It smells like Play-Doh. Are we eating Play-Doh? They're like, you want dough? Here is your dough. We played you. Because it's Play-Doh. You get it? You get it? It's Play-Doh. I paid so much money for just oats and sugar. I squirted. Oh my god. I'm so sorry. I'm not a good Girl Scout. I go to hell. Here are my cookies. Very cute, very amazing. Very much just oats. I don't know why I put the syringe there. I mean, they're still a little hot, but I don't have time. So I'm gonna put my peanut butter mixture onto them. And now all there's left to do, make little sandwiches like this. Vincent, dinner is ready. Actually, they could look kind of cute. It's not a lot to eat. And once again, I paid a lot of money for this. Let's hope it's gonna taste good.
Peanut butter and jelly.
But I paid so much money to just get oats in the end. Like they're saying this is PB&J, but actually it's just oats and you have to add the PB&J. Still yummy though. Okay guys, now we're gonna get to my very last experiment. Just to finish this off with something daring and crazy. I found this cookie dough for like snacking it. Looks like this, and then you just you know, spoon it. There's actually a spoon in there. I'm like a Girl Scout cookie maker now. And I was wondering, maybe I can make a huge cookie out of this. I mean, it is cookie dough for snacking. So if it really is cookie dough, then it should form a cookie dough. I mean, kind of good, but also kind of gross. Like me. Here's one cookie. And here's the other one. I don't know why I'm doing this on this Girl Scout cookie tray. 2 humongous dongus cookies. That's what I like. Oh my god, look at how thick they are. Also look at my fingerprints.
See ya, buddies. 20 minutes later.
Okay guys, I can definitely say they are cookies. But I can also say that they've been a little bit too long in the oven. Only I could fuck this up. Why is it so... Okay.
Come here and get your cookie.
Gotta get your cookie.
Hör auf, die anzustören. No, eat the cookie. Don't eat the
Oh, wait, it's crunchy.
I think it's soft in the middle. That's the best thing I baked today.
No. I like this.
Shut up. No, I'm just kidding.
I wanted to give you a compliment.
That was the best thing I made today. No, the compliment.
Yeah, the Thin Mints were better.
Really?
Yes.
That was so gross.
No, they just taste like artificial vanilla flavor. I just...
Yummy. I love them. Vincent hates them, like always.
What? I did not...
Alright everyone, so that was a very stupid video. I think after all, I'm just a dumb cookie. That is what I got from this experience. I did not think that I would break this oven. I don't even want to think about my money that I just threw out of the window, basically. That I just put onto the balcony to die. To die. Roller coaster.
Roller coaster.
Oh my god. I'm sorry for this video. I'm very sorry. I hope you still had a great Sunday apart from my video. I hope my video didn't ruin your Sunday. In that case, bye. I wish I could just split out of the frame. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which is Naomijon on
Instagram.
Naomijon on and the Naomijon on. That was good. In case you saw the cookies back there, yes, I'm filming my outro while I'm waiting for the cookies because I don't have any time left to do it after I got the cookies. So that's just gonna be a surprise for now. I mean, for me, you already saw the result of the cookies, but right now, while I'm doing this outro, it's a surprise for me and I can't really say if these cookies turned out as cookies or not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope your Girl Scout cookie oven doesn't break and I will see you in my next video.